Hello everyone, Down at Dawn here again with the next update on the Corsair project. I'm currently sitting here at the taxiway Alpha, getting ready to go back down the runway. Now I've got the tail wheel all put back together. Seems to be doing fine, easy job. And what else did I do? I guess that's all I did, and plugged in this headset. So the camera is currently right now on my headset, and I'm kind of holding it in my face. I might be able to hear the turning bank running in the airplane. I just shut the plane off so I can start this video. Now I've done 2 taxi runs down the runway, and I gotta tell you, that is the absolute best this thing has ever tracked since I started testing this thing. Once I get up to over 20-30 mile an hour, I'm already seeing the rudder authority with just the airflow over that, so I'm able to fine-tune just with the rudder, but it definitely tracks way better than it ever has. I've just done 2 runs down 3/4 of the runway, and it is absolutely great. It's beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do another taxi test. My first one, I said I got close to 30 on that, and this second pass I had it up to about 40, and it felt way better. I barely had any zigzagging whatsoever. Down towards the end I got a little bit, but it might have been a little bit of a wind gust. It's fairly calm, but it does have a little coming out of the north still, but you can go either way today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this headset put on my head, and we're going to go ahead and see what happens. Alright, so hopefully everybody can see. So clear. I'm going to turn around here and make sure this airplane that's at the fuel tank isn't ready to go out. Not sure if you guys can hear me or not, but the airplane just reported coming in for left downwind on 2.5, so I gotta wait for that. Reported entering a left downwind for 2.5, so I'm looking for him. And if you guys can hear me at all, it's getting warm out here. They're calling for 80 degrees today. Go ahead and just keep moving around until I see this guy coming in. Don't want the engine to get too hot on me. Noise on left base for 2-5. He's out here off to my right wing. See him coming in or not. Quick turn off, short stop, see what he does. He's turning off. Alright folks, here we go, let's get out on the runway. Meadville Traffic Experimental 086 is going to be doing some fast taxi work, runway 25, Meadville. Traffic Experimental 086, clear of runway 25, Meadville. see it with that plane up there at the gas pump's getting ready to leave. Okay, everybody, that was a quick check, a quick test. I was doing real good till I got up towards the end, and I was looking for the exit coming up, which was taxiway ABC, I believe, and I let it get a little off on me there, so I was starting to go to the left, and I had to slow her down, get on the brakes. But otherwise, it's doing really, really good. That was another 40-mile-an-hour pass, and it's feeling good. So it's getting pretty warm. I've been running like 190 degrees, so I'm going to let it cool off a little bit. It is awful warm in the sun, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, and I'll see about maybe I'll come back, maybe not. But I want to go out and do a little more tests, a little more taxiing. It's just getting a little busy right now. So, all right, I'll be back a little later. Thanks. See you guys.